What's up, everybody? So back again, finally making another video. Today's gonna be kind of like a video about you know, just kind of washing my car. We're gonna go ahead and install some new parts to my Miata. Boom. As you can see, I got a little something right here. What this is some little smoked out side marker lights. These are the originals right here. The fronts are orange, the rears are red. So yeah, just I don't know, I have a lot of black accents on this car, and these little side markers just kind of mess up the styling of the car. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change them out with these little bad boys. Look who I got here. Look at this little girl. So I have my my dog here too. I think she wants to help me out. Her name's Chiquita. Yeah, I mean, I didn't name her, my mom did. My mom likes the name Chiquita. She's like, name her Chiquita. So I was like, all right, fine, I'll name her Chiquita. But yeah, it's my little dog. She likes to chill. Sometimes she likes to chill back here whenever I'm working on the car or something. But yeah, like, I'm gonna see if she could probably stay out here with me, help me out maybe. She could probably lend me a little hand while I'm working on the car. Yeah, I'm gonna go and wash the car first. It's pretty dirty. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install the black smoked out side marker lights. And then later tonight, I'm gonna hit up a small little car meet up with Ronald and some of the guys from the crew. I'm also gonna bring my a good friend of mine. My brother might come too, so we'll see how that plays out. And Ronald tells me that he has a little something special he did to his car, so I'm pretty excited to see what that is. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get to this. And alright guys, so yeah, I'm gonna go and start washing this car, get it ready for the little meet tonight, and we'll go from there. Alright, I just got done washing my car. It looks way better. Look at that. It looks way more clean. Sheesh. I'm gonna have the cover on for now because yeah, my top obviously doesn't go down all the way. I'm at the top. Look, as I was washing my car, the weather started changing out of nowhere. It was all like sunny outside, and now it's all gray. But friend Miguel decided to show up, just come chill and watch me walk in my car. Yeah, I'm gonna change these boys out. What do you think, Miguel? Look a lot cleaner? Alright, well yeah, let me go and get started on these. I went ahead and got the side marker light out. So here goes the original connector and bulb. It comes with an extra bulb, but like to do some wiring, honestly, like I don't even want to like cut the wiring, cut off the original connector just to splice it. I'd rather just use the original bulbs. That way I'm not, you know, just kind of keep things original. Yeah, so here goes here goes the original one right here, and then here goes the new smoked out one. Yeah, here it is, like out of the bag. Yeah, it looks like 10 times better. It looks 10 times better. Alright, let me go ahead and pop this on. I'm about to stick this in the back before I put it back on. Then we'll see how they look afterwards. Woo! As you can see, the difference. Look at that. Oh man, that looks like garbage. What do you think, Miguel? It looks clean, right? Look at that. My dog Chiquita found a little friend. Man, I think she might have some puppies pretty soon. Chiquita, look at y'all. Y'all look cute together. Oh, oh. Look at y'all. Y'all look cute together. Look at y'all. Look at that girl right here. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. Look at that boy right there. But yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. The back too. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, but I just wanted to install these little things real quick, just to see the difference. Just really cleans up the car like real nice. So yeah, I just wanted to knock these out real quick before we go hit up that car meet tonight. So yeah guys, I'll be right back as soon as we get to the car meet, and then we'll just kind of see how things are going with the other guys. Alright, we made it to the car meet. On the way up here, I was driving, and then like some homeless guy was oh damn.
God,
some homeless guy like needed a ride, so I picked up the homeless guy, And yeah, I brought him along with me. This is the homeless guy right here.
He's donating.
You fucking bitch. You're a hoe. Nah, I was kidding. But this is my brother right here. This is my brother. He's the one that he's the one that was recording for the last video. This is his camera that I was borrowing, but he's using it right now. So yeah, I gotta use my GoPro, which kind of sucks. Until I get a better camera. But yeah, we're gonna go around and check out the cars, see what they got. Well, yeah, guys, I got some bad news. Ronald and some guys from the crew were supposed to show up, but some things came up like last minute. And Ronald, I think he had something he wanted to show me that I was really excited about. Something he did to his car that something he's been really excited for like the longest, that he's been like, you know, coming to me about for a while already, for months. And I wanted to show you guys, but he couldn't make it today, unfortunately. But in the next video, when we go out to Austin and we go to Slams Enough, he's gonna be there, and his car is gonna be put in as like a part of the car show. So when that comes up, I'll get some video of that for y'all guys on the next video. But yeah, unfortunately, he couldn't make it. It's all good. I'm here with my brother and one of my best friends, so we're just gonna walk around, have a good time. I can show you out what they got here, just to kind of close out the video, some little fun to show. Headed out. We're gonna go grab something to eat. Been a long day. I was running errands like everywhere, so get some Raisin Canes. I got this guy right here driving for me because I don't feel like driving. We're just gonna go out and get some food, but y'all guys take it easy. Thank you for watching the video. I'm ending it right here. Like, comment, subscribe. So please do that. So yeah, you have a good one. Peace.